Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Pfister F0314COC Courant kitchen faucet with side sprayer. This is a high-arc, two-handle faucet that's available in 3 finishes: polished chrome, rustic bronze, and stainless steel. I've been using this faucet for a few months now, and I'm really impressed with it. It's stylish, functional, and well made. In this video, I'll give you a close-up look at the features and benefits of the Pfister F0314COC Courant kitchen faucet. And I'll also share some of my thoughts on how it performs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and home improvement tips. Now, let's get started. High-arc design. The high-arc design of this faucet makes it perfect for filling pots and pans. It also gives your kitchen a more modern look. Two-handle design. The two-handle design makes it easy to control the water temperature and pressure. Pull-down sprayer. The pull-down sprayer is great for rinsing dishes and cleaning the sink. It has a variety of spray patterns to choose from. Forever Seal technology. Pfister's Forever Seal technology guarantees that the faucet will never leak. Lifetime warranty. Pfister offers a lifetime warranty on this faucet, so you can be sure it's built to last. I've found the Pfister F0314COC Courant kitchen faucet to be very easy to use. The handles are smooth and easy to turn, and the sprayer is comfortable to hold. The water flow is also very good, and I haven't had any problems with leaks. Pros and cons of the Pfister Courant kitchen faucet. Pros: stylish design, high-arc spout, pull-down sprayer, durability, easy to install, affordable price. Cons: large size, water flow, plastic sprayer, limited finish options. Overall, I'm very happy with the Pfister F0314COC Courant kitchen faucet. The Pfister F0314COC Courant kitchen faucet is a stylish and functional option for those seeking a classic look with modern features. Its user-friendly design and durable build make it a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the Pfister F0314COC Courant kitchen faucet. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.